3 hours. That's how long I spent staring at my screen trying to figure out why my welcome email wasn't sending. No error message, no warning, just silence. Turned out I had the wrong contact status selected, a setting buried 4 clicks deep, and that's when I decided to actually stress test these platforms. I ran Constant Contact, Mailchimp, and Brevo through the same setup, the same campaign, and the same automation, and timed every step. Now, full disclosure, Constant Contact is sponsoring this video. They came on board after the testing was done, and you'll see exactly where each platform lost me time. All right, here's what happened. So, quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. What stood out immediately was how quickly you can start sending emails. For small businesses, well, that simplicity is important. A lot of business owners already have enough going on. They're running a store, they're replying to customers, managing appointments, posting on social media, and email marketing becomes the thing they keep postponing because the setup process often feels complicated. Constant Contact feels designed for businesses that want email marketing to stay manageable. The dashboard is clean, setup is straightforward, and templates look professional before you ever touch them. So I tested creating a basic campaign for a small local business, and within minutes, I had a polished email ready to go without needing tutorials or any extra plugins. Now, that ease of use is one of the biggest reasons Constant Contact has stayed popular with small businesses for so long. Another thing I liked is how beginner-friendly the platform feels. You can absolutely use automations and segmentation as your needs grow, but the platform doesn't overwhelm you on day one. Many small business owners want more people to open their emails, come back as repeat customers, and actually enjoy hearing from them. Constant Contact, it keeps the focus on that. You can also lock brand colors, fonts, and logos at the account level, so every email you build automatically stays on brand. And for small business owners who are not designers, that guardrail quietly saves a lot of embarrassing sends. And one thing that I noticed while testing is that the templates don't look overly markety. A lot of email templates feel overdone. Too many colors, too much going on, and way too many things competing for attention. Constant Contact's layout felt cleaner and more business-friendly right out of the box. Now, I did hit a wall early on trying to connect my domain for email authentication, opened the live chat, got a real person in under 3 minutes, and had it sorted before I'd finished my coffee, and that kind of response time is rare. Most platforms technically offer support. Actually getting a useful answer is a different story. Constant Contact has built a reputation around being beginner-friendly, partly because, well, their support is actually accessible, especially for local businesses, nonprofits, coaches, creators, or service businesses that don't have dedicated marketing teams. Also, their pricing is simple. The light plan starts at around $12 a month, which makes it approachable for beginners who just want to start building an email list and sending campaigns without a huge upfront cost. One thing worth knowing, Constant Contact's pricing scales up faster than the others as your list grows. And if you are planning to build a large list quickly, it's worth running the numbers before you commit. Now, Mailchimp is usually the first platform people compare, and that makes sense. The brand is familiar, the free plan is easy to try, and a lot of businesses start there simply because they've heard the name before, and after testing it, I can see why it's popular. The design tools are polished, the automations are powerful, and the AI features have gotten significantly more advanced. And that's precisely where Mailchimp starts working against the average small business owner, because none of that power comes without a learning curve attached to it. And that's exactly where the experience, it starts to split. The more that you use Mailchimp, the more it reveals how much it expects from you. During testing, every time I wanted to do something slightly advanced, there was another menu to navigate, another setting to configure, another decision to make before I can move forward. The standard plan starts at around $10 a month for up to 500 contacts during the promotional period. Reasonable enough, but the real cost isn't the price, it's the time. So if you're a marketer who wants that level of control, Mailchimp will reward the instinct. If you're the kind of person who likes knowing exactly what every setting does, well, Mailchimp will reward that instinct. But if you are a business owner who wants to send a good email and get back to running your business, well, that layering adds up faster than you're going to expect. Setting up a basic campaign should be a 10-minute job. On Mailchimp, it took me closer to 30 because before I can get to the email itself, I was making decisions about campaign type, audience segmentation, and send time optimization. All useful features, all in the way. Constant Contact doesn't hand you fewer tools. It just doesn't make you think about all of them at once. And that difference sounds small until it costs you your afternoon. It's not that Mailchimp is hard. It's that it asks you to make a decision at every single screen. Template style, campaign type, audience segment, send time optimization. Each one is a small tax on your attention. Now, Brevo has grown fast over the last few years, and when you open the platform for the first time, it is easy to see why. Everything is all in one place. Email marketing, CRM, SMS, automation, landing pages, transactional emails, it's all connected inside a single dashboard. The interface is clean and modern, noticeably more polished than some of the older platforms in this space, and the pricing model works differently too. Brevo prices by email send volume rather than contact count, which can work out significantly cheaper if you are sending to a large list. For businesses that genuinely need all of those channels connected, that are running email and SMS and managing customer data and sending transactional messages, Brevo makes a serious case for itself. When a platform does everything, it also asks everything of you. During testing, I kept running into moments where a basic task required me to configure something that I hadn't touched yet, a contact field, a data condition, an automation setting that didn't exist until I set it up manually. None of it was impossible, but every few minutes I was managing the tool instead of thinking about what I actually wanted to say to my customers. And when you sign up for email marketing and suddenly you're also managing a CRM, an SMS channel, and a transactional email pipeline, whether you wanted those things or not, the features don't wait for you to need them. They're just there, asking to be configured. The longer I tested it, the more that gap widened compared to Constant Contact. And with Constant Contact, creating a campaign felt like the main event. With Brevo, creating a campaign started to feel like one item on a longer checklist. Constant Contact stays focused on email, doesn't try to become your CRM, your SMS platform, your landing page builder, and your customer data warehouse all at once. And for most small businesses, that's not a limitation. It's a relief because the goal was never a marketing ecosystem. It was staying connected with customers and actually sending the emails. And that's where Constant Contact pulled ahead. Not because it does more, but because it gets out of your way and lets you do the one thing that matters most. All right, after spending time with all three platforms, I kept coming back to the same conclusion. Constant Contact feels like the platform most business owners will actually keep using because email marketing only works when you stay consistent with it. With Constant Contact, I never felt like I had to figure out the software before I can start marketing my business. The platform stays approachable. For small business owners juggling customers, appointments, inventory, social media, and everything else that comes with running a business, well, that simplicity becomes incredibly valuable. So if you want an email marketing platform that feels reliable, beginner-friendly, easy to learn, and genuinely practical for everyday business use, Constant Contact is the one that I personally recommend most. As a reminder, if you do want to check out Constant Contact for yourself, then be sure to use the affiliate links to help you get started. And if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. It's the platform that felt the easiest to start with, the easiest to stay consistent with, and the easiest to fit into the reality of running your business. And in the long run, that's probably what drives better results anyway. And if you did find this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up. And if you do have any questions, drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.